Hey everyone, welcome back again.
It's my first podcast. I'm so excited to share my thoughts.
Clients help us out to understand that thing. It as a professional baker, you started it at the age of 35. So a very beautiful name you have kept, Bake Club by Mehak. Hey everyone, welcome back again to the new episode of Captive Senses, the Winter Series. I know आप सब ने हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मिस किया है और हमने भी आपको उतना ही मिस किया है, लेकिन अब हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं a brand new series which is the Winter Series and आज के इस एपिसोड में हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल और स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं जो ना कि सिर्फ भोपाल में बल्कि पूरे इंडिया में अपने काम से जानी जा रही हैं। She is a passionate woman. She is a wonderful cake artist. She is a very beautiful baker. And with 7 years of experience, she started her journey at the age of 35, जिसमें उन्होंने ये प्रूव किया कि पैशन और प्रोफेशन दोनों को सीखा जा सकता है। एंड जब आपकी विल पावर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है तो आप किसी भी काम को अपने तरीके से बहुत ही सुंदर बना सकते हैं। शी इज़ वन ऑफ द बेकर्स हु इज़ काउंटेड इन टॉप 200 बेकर्स इन इंडिया एंड शी इज़ द वन एंड ओनली महक रायचंदानी, फाउंडर ऑफ बेक क्लब बाय महक।
Thank you so much for having me, Nayan, and feeling great to be here. And it's my first podcast. This is something I was looking forward to. I'm so excited to share my thoughts.
And I still remember the conversation which we had पहले जब मुझे एक recommendation आया था आपके लिए on my DM कि we want her on your podcast and today we are grateful to have you on this platform.
Thank you.
So how's the feeling as it is your first podcast? So how excited are you about this?
I'm so excited to share my thoughts and want to connect with you, with audience. It's for the first time in 7 years.
Because आज इस podcast में ना कि हम सिर्फ आपकी जर्नी को जानेंगे बल्कि उसको आपके साथ फील भी करेंगे. So we are extremely excited.
It's nostalgic for me also, going back to how it started, how it went. Like it's nostalgic for me.
So starting the profession as a professional baker, you started it at the age of 35.
Yeah.
जो कि थोड़ा सा
It's late.
आजकल difficult बोल सकते हैं कि not everybody take this step कि at the age of 35 you have to handle family, you have to handle kids at the same moment. तो एक वो कौन सा point था जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि I have to do this?
In fact, I never thought I would do this because coming from a business family and married into a business family, so I think I never thought that I would start something of my own. But our kids were a little grown up, and then I started making chocolates for myself. I was having sweet tooth since beginning, so I started making chocolates. And I was just one day scrolling through the Pinterest, and I came across some beautiful cake designs. So I thought, why not let's learn this and create some this type of bespoke cakes in Bhopal. That time not so many people were doing it. So that was the day I decided let's jump into baking, let's learn. And that's how it started.
Wow. So you told me that initially you started with chocolate making and then you stepped into this baking world. So what was that one point? हर किसी की लाइफ में एक पॉइंट होता है जहाँ पे वो हिट कर जाता है.
So after making chocolates, and then I decided to learn baking and be a home baker. Home baker was something new to me because that time I was not knowing more about the things. So then I went to metro cities and I took classes. I learned the basics of baking. Not the formal education I had, but still there were short-term classes that I did there. Then I came back and then I started baking at home in my home kitchen only. So my kids are the first priority, I think. So I wanted to be around them always. I don't wanted to miss their childhood. It was never coming back again. So I decided I'm not going to miss any moment with them. So it's very easy to access from the comfort zone of a house. I mean, moving to the bakery, moving to the kitchen again, and moving to the whole house. So I keep on rolling all day from one place to another, but never thought of leaving the house.
Right.
That was something I was very clear since beginning.
True. So आपने हमें बताया कि your kids were your first priority and उनके साथ साथ you managed baking, उनके साथ साथ you managed the house and the family. So being a woman, बहुत सारे challenges भी हमें face करने पड़ते हैं whenever we enter something new. So ऐसा कोई challenge कभी आया था आपके साथ?
Not exactly. I mean, I was always surrounded by people who always inspired me, supported me. I got a very supportive family. Maybe my parents, my in-laws, my husband, my kids. They are always there for me. If I stuck somewhere, I just want to make a call. They are just a call away.
Wow.
So I don't think, and I got a very, very dedicated team. You know, we can't do without them.
Right.
Because it takes a village to be an entrepreneur.
Right.
There are so many people behind it. I mean, it's a dedicated team. It's a delivery person, then my maids, my cook. Lot of support is needed. So I can't do without them.
Right.
They are the backbone
pillars
of Bake Club.
Bake Club. So beautiful. 7 years into this journey and you started it at the age of 35 and have created a lot of varieties of cakes which we also see on your page and you're connected towards that thing क्योंकि एक connection build होना अपनी चीज़ों के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है. So what is that one creative thing? ये creativity कहाँ से आई आपके अंदर?
It all started since childhood. My father used to send me to painting classes, so it got me that creative hand, and I could easily use it to my baking journey, drawing the wedding cakes.
And especially when it comes to wedding cakes, like as we have seen, it requires a lot of minute details as well. So वो भी डिज़ाइन करने में वो पेंटिंग स्किल्स काम आती होंगी.
A lot. I mean, it helps me a lot. Every skill you learn is never wasted, I think.
Right.
So it always adds value to your work.
And we have also seen that you design very beautiful dessert tables as well.
Yeah.
When it comes to birthday cakes, there is always a connection which we can feel with the cake. तो वो connection कैसे डालते हैं आप?
See, I have been very fortunate to have clients who not only appreciate my work, they value my work. Whatever I do, they just value it. And that rewarding thing and that fulfillment actually keeps me going.
Right.
So whenever we discuss on something till it comes to the table, clients are very much supportive. And
Because जब भी हम देखते हैं कि किसी be it a Maggie cake or be it you can shape it into any of the molds according to the situation or the celebration. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि until and unless the clients help us out to understand that thing, it is always going to be a two-sided thing.
Yeah, of course. Every day is a challenge into baking thing. When you are a home baker, you never know what's coming up next.
Right.
So every day is a challenge. It all starts with something that you have never done before. So we just start with the day with no clues in our mind. So how we're gonna do it, and then it comes to life as we wanted it, even better than we planned.
Right.
It's an everyday thing.
Right. So, coming in the category of top 200 bakers in India, when the title was given to you, what was the feeling at that time?
I mean, there is so much to learn, and there's so much to create. I think when you love doing something for a long time, that thing, that dream should turn into
Something big.
something professional. So when this passion turned into a profession sort of thing, it was for me. But yeah, coming into that top 200 was a great achievement. It was very inspiring. But still, there is so much to learn and so much to explore into baking world. So it keeps on. It's a process of continued learning and creating something new.
And what I think is, it's not only into baking, it's into every field we have to learn day by day. कुछ ना कुछ
Definitely.
नया
Yeah,
रोज
definitely.
होता रहता है, and we
Every
have
day
to
is a
learn
new
every day. So your journey is so beautiful, and इस journey को सुनने के बाद now it's time to experience that journey with you. So
course.
आज हम आपके साथ कुछ बेक करने वाले हैं. And we will be knowing कि वो जो sweetness और वो जो एक प्यार आप अपना उसके अंदर डालते हो, that's gonna come out now.
Yeah, sure.
So
let's
let's
go.
go.
Yeah.
So now we are into the Bake Club's kitchen, and आज हम क्या बना रहे हैं?
आज हम स्ट्रॉबेरी चॉकलेट केक बना रहे हैं. And that's our signature cake. So let's start with it.
And I'm super excited to see. While baking, कभी आपको ऐसा कुछ इमोशनल मोमेंट फील हुआ हो कि how you started and how now it's been going on a very good line, तो कैसा फील होता है?
Initially, it started with very tiny client base, and I had no website, no menu, and I was getting of orders from my close friends, close relatives, and I had very few orders, and it was spreading mouth to mouth. There was no such marketing. I had never done yet, and it was all mouth to mouth. So it was spreading like initially I got 1 cake, 2 cakes in a week, and now it has turned into a full-fledged baking with a team of 4 dedicated team members. So it's all going on a very good note now.
Wow, that is so amazing. So while baking, कभी ऐसा कोई funny moment आया हो टीम के साथ, या फिर कोई ऐसा magical सा moment आया हो जहाँ पे फैमिली ने हेल्प की हो किसी ऑर्डर को कंप्लीट करने में?
I'm into festive hampers also, and giveaways, birthday giveaways hai, wedding favors hai, festival hampers hai, maybe Rakhi hampers, Holi hampers, Diwali hampers, and baby welcome announcement. So there are a lot of hampers I'm doing according to the occasions. So many orders. So the whole house is spread with hampers, sofa, dining. I keep posting pictures on my Insta stories also, showing my bedroom, dining, drawing everywhere. There are hampers everywhere. So of course I can't do without my family support. So they are the one who helped me till very late night, in the morning also, in the dispatches they help. So it's not the one man army itself.
एंड अपने लिए टाइम निकालने का मौका कभी ऐसे मिलता है?
अपने लिए टाइम इज एक्चुअली आई डोंट फील लाइक कि टाइम जो बचा है बेकिंग से आई स्पेंड ऑन मी. आई थिंक आई एम द पर्सन हु socializes very less. Sometimes I miss family functions or gatherings, but I make sure I spend time with my kids, with my family. So that is the thing. Whenever I get the time, I love spending with them only.
Wow. So after having such sweet desserts by the Bake Club by Mehak, now it's time to play a rapid fire round जिसमें आपकी और आपके Bake Club की compatibility test होगी. So let's get started.
Sure.
Your all-time favorite cake flavor?
Chocolate strawberry is the match made in heaven.
Wow. The most emotional cake order which you have received till now?
Once a son, I think he texted me on WhatsApp. He was in US and he said कि my father is alone at home. So I just wanted to send a tea cake because we specialize in tea cakes. So he wanted to send him a vanilla dry fruit tea cake, a basic one, that homemade वाला cake होता है ना जो घर पे मम्मी लोग बनाते थे. That was a very basic homemade cake. So he wanted to send that cake to his father. As our time zones were different, so it took 3-4 days to coordinate properly.
Right.
But it was very emotional for him to send a cake, and that his father was also very old, so he was very happy to have that cake.
Wow.
Yeah.
One most favorite item ordered from Bake Club?
Tres leches. That viral wala nahi, Alia Bhatt's viral tres leches cake from Leto Bakery.
Yeah.
So it's the same one. And I think that is the most ordered dessert in Bake Club.
Beautiful. Also, one baking myth which you wanted to burst?
So I think there is one myth that people are carrying nowadays. It's about sugar-free baking. So sugar-free baking is of course good for those who are who have diabetes or who are reducing their sugar intakes. So it uses use of monk fruit sweeteners or stevia is there. It doesn't have any nutritional value actually. Though it adds sweetness to your bakes, but it doesn't have any nutritional value. So it won't add any nutrition to your baked goods. And just a tag of sugar-free doesn't make it healthier across the frame, you know. So, of course, there are some other processes that we do. I mean, millet baking is there. So, we can go with it. Yeah.
Very beautiful. And one word to describe Bake Club?
Bake Club is, I can't describe in one word, but it's an homemade love. I won't serve anything to my clients that I won't serve to my kids. So it's always homemade, it always made with love, lot of finest ingredients, and it is not stocked up for months because we don't stock up the things. It's always on the pre-order basis. So usually we get the ingredients in short batches and on everyday thing. So yeah, it's homemade love.
And this homemade love is now becoming a part of every home, not in Bhopal, but all over India. And our best wishes are with you.
Thank
Your
you so
journey is so
much.
inspiring. You are so inspiring. And the passion which you have with your work, वो दिखता है.
Thank you so much.
तो which is really very appreciable. And we also hope कि आपको हमारा आज का ये episode which was full of sweetness, full of inspiration and full of love पसंद आया होगा. ऐसे ही और भी episodes के लिए आप stay tuned रहिए और हमें Instagram पे follow करिए for more details. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to get more updates. Stay tuned, stay happy. Thank you.